Hi. So I have tried. This will be the 6th time today that I've tried to make this tutorial. My beautiful camera is kind of kaput, so I'm going to have to get a new one. But for now, I'm going to use my phone, and this is going to be just quick and dirty. Yesterday I gave you the measurements if you want to do a 6x6 or an 8x8, and then I showed you how they will look, and I've gone ahead and I've just smudged them so you can kind of see. So I'm going to be turning this back off and on just to get this done and put up on the internet, and I will do a better video once I get either something fixed in that camera. So I'm a little hoarse because, like I said, this is the 6th time. So what I want you to know is I'm going to lay out my papers like this first of all, and I am going to glue corners, and I will be gluing this corner, and then this corner and this corner, and this corner is going to get glued here on the back of it, just like this. Sorry, just like that. And then the other side will get glued like that. So let me go ahead and glue, and I will be right back. Okay, so you can see I have gone ahead and I've done the first set of gluing. And basically that just lets me be able to move this open like that, back and forth. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to glue this piece, this corner on the back side, and this corner on the back side to these corners. So I'll be right back. Okay, so it's all glued, and what you can see is then when I open it, it will fold, and it will fold this way. And I am sorry about this. I just wanted to get this up because I promised several of my friends that it would be up for them. And I will fix this as soon as the good camera is working. And then the last fold will bring us back to the front page. And it's the same as I did this one and showed you yesterday, although I've gone ahead and I've added a couple pretty little things to make it look nice, and it just keeps opening up. And then these two will open up. It's hard to hold the phone camera and do this. And then these last ones, once they're open, they bring you back to your owls. So this paper, again, is from Diana Smet at Scrap Queen on YouTube, and it's her Love Magic, Love Addiction. I love the paper. I really love her YouTube videos. She does wonderful things, so go and subscribe to her things. But thanks. I'll try and get this fixed and put up later with a good one. Well, maybe in a day or two. Okay, thanks. Thanks for coming, and enjoy. Bye-bye.